Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore how to create a database on Notion AI. Before we dive in, make sure to sign up for Notion AI using the link provided in the description below. Now, databases on Notion are a powerful way to structure and organize information. Think of them as intelligent spreadsheets with some unique features. Let's get started by creating a new database. Click on the New Page button and navigate to the Database section. Choose the type of database you want to create. For this tutorial, we'll start with a table. The first column is where you'll input your database items, such as pieces of content in the case of a content calendar. Each column in the table represents a property of the item, like tags describing the content. You can customize these properties to include information like social channel, deadlines, assigned teammates, or any other attribute you need. As you add more content, your Notion database becomes a collection of individual pages, allowing you to add, edit, and organize more details about each item. Notion databases offer flexibility in viewing your data. You can switch between formats, such as turning your table into a calendar or a board grouped by properties. Now that you've created your database, you can keep it in your sidebar as a top-level page or embed it within a regular page to create a subpage link for your company, wiki, or marketing team wiki. Additionally, you can view it as an inline database alongside other content. To revert an inline database back into a full-page database, simply drag it into your sidebar, and that's how you create a database on Notion AI. Also, don't forget you can use the Notion AI by using the link in the description. Thank you for watching and happy organizing.